Hello everyone, so welcome back to our Python programming series. In this video, we are having another problem to solve. This is again very easy problem, and we're gonna write a Python program which basically takes n as an input from the user, and then our task is to print the even numbers from 1 to n. So that's what we need to do here basically. Now, to solve this, we need to write our problem approach, which we have already written. So first we will take an integer n from the user, then we will use a loop, and inside that loop we will check if the number is even, and if that number is even, we will print that. It's that simple. So let's write our code. Okay, so we have wrote our solution. So what we are doing, we are taking the input from the user. Then we are using a for loop which ranges from 1 to n plus 1. So we get numbers till n, right? Now we will check if our I is basically equals to 0, which means if it is 0, this means that it's an even number, and if it is an even number, then we will print that number, means we will print the I. So let's run this and see whether we are getting the expected result. The input is 5 and 10, right? So 5. So in case of 5, we will get 2 and 4. So we are getting 2 and 4. And next input was 10. So if we write 10, then we will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So this is working fine. Now let's see what we can basically optimize in here. Okay, so what we can do here is basically even numbers start from 2, right? So instead of this 1, we can directly start from 2, and then we can go till n plus 1. And we know that if we add 2 in 2, then it will give us 4, and if we add 2 to 4, it will give us 6. So these are even numbers. Okay, so we are again getting even numbers, right? Instead of without doing this this calculation here. So let's do that. Okay, so we have wrote our approach. We use a for loop. We start from n, then we go till n plus 1, and we are then jumping 2 steps, means 2 times. Okay, so first we will get 2, then we will get 4, then we will get 6, like that. So let's run this. So we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 directly. Oh, because we are not taking any input. So let's write this. An integer input. Okay. So let's give it 5, and we will get 2 and 4. We get 2 and 4. Let's give it 10. We get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so it's working fine. So what we did, we read this from description, we understand this problem, then we wrote our first approach, we wrote a code, we get the expected output, then we make some optimization in the code, and we wrote our optimized code, and finally we get the same results. So this is how we basically solve this problem. So there you have it, and we have successfully written a Python program to print even numbers up to n. Feel free to use a non-optimized or optimized solution based on your preferences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe for more Python content like this. Happy coding!